babies. Are you hungry? Oh, he has an itch. Are you hungry? Come here. Come here. Oh, here he comes. Okay. All right, here we go. We're up to what, a week and a half of doing this? At 4:30 in the morning. Up to whatever time at night, whenever during the day. So we have to try and wean him to lick out of a bowl.
So how does it feel to be a cat's mother?
Awesome. It really does. Because his little calico brother or sister, I don't know which it is dead. From flea infestation. Oh, here we go.
Oh my, he's hungry.
I'm trying to teach him. He didn't do the real sucking thing though. Whoop, that was it.
Oh my goodness.
He's done. That's the way he tells you. He just flips right off to the other side. Hey, buddy. Okay. And then I usually pull my shirt down here and just kind of wipe his face. A little bit, say, from the dribbles. Say, I know. From the dribbles. And he chuckles in.
Little Storm.
Say, Mr. Strong. Mr.